Oh, Wolf is working hard.
So my spare parts have come and now it's time to go to Bogota and do some shopping as well. And here's the big monster.
Sorry, I had to bounce.
Yep, I'm now here in front of Auto Germana. I found it and I got my spare parts. Yeah! So now I can see what the clutch, how the clutch is doing, and then also the cardan. So I can change that one now. Some work for me to do. Yep, will be fun. Otherwise, typically admiring the bike. And then I got some special stuff I will explain a bit later.
Yeah, I'm pretty much losing my nerves here. So let's see how things go with the rice cooker cookbook. Cause my PC is total asshole. Yeah, I got my Mac less than 2 months ago, and since day 2 or day 3 it has given me plenty of problems. So basically every day at least one program, original Mac program, crashes, and at least 3 times a week the whole computer crashes. And now then today the computer decided to lose the internet. So no matter how many times I press the button to connect internet, it doesn't do anything. And also Bluetooth doesn't work now. So I'm very frustrated. It's the shittiest PC, laptop, whatever I have ever had. And it's supposed to be brand new and so on. Wolfie came back.
Yes! I got all my spare parts. Now I can screw around again.
I can hardly wait. Well, let's have a look what you brought. Really good shopping again. Some vegan nonsense. Yep, but we got some flowers, plenty of milk, tahini, we love tahini, jam, and then Wolfie found also plenty of organic stuff. So all these veggies are organic. That's really great. Cauliflower, well, the beans are not organic. Tofu, and these have been really good canned stuff. Very, very nice. Good job. Let's have a look at the other stuff you brought. Ooh, yeah, we don't have light on this room and it's already dark. What did Wolfie bring? Papayas, really nice. Apples, yes, plenty of apples. And melons, ooh, very nice. They are older, these potatoes. Yes. Yeah. Nice stuff. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Wolfie also brought such oil for animals. This is something somebody recommended him a few days ago to calm Lyra down. Let's see if it works. Chakra Corazon, so we should massage this to Lyra's skin before starting to drive.
It's now that time of the day to go around on the bike. So one thing I want to do is to change the cardan. And this is how the new one looks like. And all these bearings, U-joints, they go very nicely, very smooth. No notch. Yep. So, all parts apart. And first thing, the clutch. Yep. Somehow it seems that the clutch, some parts, the spring most likely is not centered again. So I will open it and have a look. Yeah, the rod looks pretty straight, but then again I really don't have means to verify this here properly. So, well, I put a new one in. And then, last but not least, the cardan. Well, I must say that there's no problem, I think. Yep, this is the old drive shaft, the new one, and here is still the heavy spot, or how do you say, where it's getting stuck, noticeable. No such thing here. And this end is still pretty good. Yep. So I think I could have saved that money and that work But one of the bearings is bad, so I will change that one now. Or maybe I change them both. So somehow the diaphragm spring is like this. I'm not sure if it got now a bit twisted when I took it out, but generally. So interestingly, here is some tolerance. Not sure if this is supposed to be. Yeah, the magnetic screw from the gearbox looks also quite okay. End of day 1. Now let's hope we have water, and then let's hope we have hot water, and I need a shower. Day 2 of the bike work, so let's continue to put things together. Still looks very disintegrated. Yeah, I also gave this clutch out of center a second thought. So maybe this happened so enormously because when I was taking the gearbox out, I didn't pay too much attention now to this middle center rod, because anyway we put a new one there and it didn't come out too straight. So maybe it has moved the centerpiece over there. I don't know. But well, anyway, now it's centered again, and let's see how it will now go.
Time to go see how Wolf is doing, and everyone is totally excited. Peto, ei me oteta palloa mukaan, ei. Pistäis teille kaulapannat muuten? Joo. Nonni. Joo. Ota iisisti nyt. We came to see how you are.
Oh!
You're surviving here?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that looks heavy. Everything apart.
Well, you haven't seen when there was even more apart.
Yeah, no good that I didn't see it. Oi lapset! Ei me voida leikkiä nyt. Joo, terve Teo. Onko sä kiusannut Wolfia täällä? Yeah, Teo put the compost upside down again.
Monster.
Yes, you are a monster. Yeah, there's one of these goats. Sheeps again. What a place Lyra has to pee. I just really hate this short leash thingy, what they do with these live animals here. Ulpu, ei me voida leikkiä. Yeah, Ulpu has been playing so hard that her paw is sore. And she's been limping for 2 days and still she wants to play. She's a real idiot. Now it's walking again. Eek. Oh, here you can see. Yeah, it's tiny. Okay. It's tiny, but it looks like maybe it's baby tarantula.
Everything is fine. Everything back together. Engine is running, and at least the first gear is moving. So, yep. Now tomorrow I will make a test drive. But now Skippy is still doing some education for the kiddos, so I have to open. There she goes.
Oh, that was really heavy day. So I made bread in the morning, then I made, yes, scrambled egg salad. No, scrambled eggs. Bloody, I'm tired. Scrambled tofu salad, of course.
That was yummy.
Then, what did I then make? Then I made crème brûlée, then I made cake, and then I made kesäkeitto, this summer soup. And then I cleaned this entire house. I had forest walk with the kiddos. I had little driving practice with girls.
And you brought the display of my MP3 player.
When I was cleaning this house, and who leaves it on the edge of the table? I'm sorry, wasn't my purpose. And Wolfie did his bike. Yep. So I think now we have deserved evening with CSI. Yes, time to relax. So we have CSI and soup and nami bread.
Yes.
Oh yes, let's enjoy.